Okay guys, so let's look at making the most out of your membership. Okay, so we set it up as an unlimited membership, classes and access to the gym whenever you want. Okay, obviously you have to book your classes, you have to book your space in the gym. You can do all of that through the app. The classes that you take, foundations, open level, explore, evolve, elevate, that all depends on what metrics you're at, what level you're at, and all that kind of stuff. You have all of that information in your new members packet. You have to take assessments in your app. You have to take physical assessments in the gym. That's what will keep you progressing and making sure you really understand the material and understand how you move individually. We set up the program so that optimally you would take 3 classes a week. Okay, 2 is great, 3 is great. That's really what we're talking about, especially when it comes to the strength classes. Okay? If you need to take more classes, then in your app you will see recovery workouts, you will see suggested conditioning workouts, or cardio workouts, you will see follow along flow workouts, you'll see follow along foam rolling workouts. Those are to be on the days that you don't work out in class. Classes themselves, set it up for 2 to 3 times a week. If you feel that you could do more than 2 or 3 times a week with those classes, you're probably not working at an intensity that's high enough. Okay? So keep that in mind. Volume isn't always the key. We must use intensity. All right? So 2 to 3 classes a week, you're setting something up that's sustainable and manageable. Oftentimes people come in and they say they want to do 6 classes a week, yada, 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 and they do it and they go all in. But then they fall off because it's not sustainable. Okay? So 2 to 3 classes a week. I know I keep saying it, but it's so important. If you could do more, your intensity isn't high enough. Everything else is in your app. Come into Open Gym, work on mobility, work on recovery, work on flow, work on your cardio, work on conditioning, come to classes for strength and get strong. Then recover, and that's how we adapt and grow.